everyone, this is Anita C. I'm now in Singapore. It's a work trip and I'm very fortunate to be able to stay at the St. Regis because it's a huge conference in Singapore in town, and the conference is at Marina Bay Sands and the hotel price there is outrageous. So I'm lucky to get a higher budget to stay at the St. Regis Hotel in Singapore. Okay, so let me give you a quick room tour. When I walk in, on my right, it is the bathroom, and they got a bathtub in here. And the St. Regis fluffy bathrobe, the towels, double sink, and then this is the amenities. Okay, so the makeup mirror is here as well. And let me open this. Okay, so this is just a toilet. And then they have the, they have the like massage type of shower setup. And then this is the amenity. Okay, so you can see from the decor, you know, the marble they use and everything. It's not a new hotel, but it's quite well maintained. It's a St. Regis. So here is like the bar area. There's an espresso coffee machine with 4 capsules, with 4 bottles of water, with the kettle and the coffee mug. And then just to mention, as we always know, St. Regis got their Butler service, so I can always call and they will bring the coffee and tea up as well. And then this is the mini bar that they have some snacks that you have to pay, as well as other drinks. Yep, in the mini bar. Oops. Okay, and they have some nice glassware as well. Okay, so on this cabinet, actually there is a safe deposit box in here. Pretty good size, pretty deep. Okay. And the shopping bag. And then shoe shine. Actually, shoe shine and pressing is included. 2 pieces per day, not accumulative. So that's one of the services as well as St. Regis. You know, actually, did I miss the hair dryer? I'm sorry, but I want to come back to take a look. Yeah, I think it's here. It's the hair dryer in here. Okay, let's quickly go back to continue my room tour. Okay, so I'm already setting up to charge my devices. And this is the work desk. And it's a cute little corner sofa area. This is called the Penthouse Deluxe King room type. I booked the most standard category, and they upgraded me to the Penthouse Deluxe room, which only means high floor. But I got kind of a nice corner and kind of a nice view from here. So actually really appreciate it. And that is what is called the Penthouse Deluxe room. Okay, so back on to this angle is the red silver area, the corner sofa area, and then with another nice lacy chair, and then all controlled by the panel, and then the bedboard and everything, quite classy. To be honest, it's a little bit like Shangri-La or Peninsula, but anyway, I shouldn't say that. It's a St. Regis. We are in St. Regis, Singapore. Okay, so again, nice thick mattress, pillow, and such. Okay, so I just put my luggage in here, and then they have 2 pair of slipper, additional pillow, and then a good number of hangers, another bathrobe, and another luggage rack, and an umbrella as well. Okay, so it's pretty much a very good room for my business trip to attend the conference for 3 days. So I'm going to be here for 3 nights. Breakfast is also included, so I'm going to show you the breakfast, and I will be spending some time here having lunch at the drawing room and then dinner at the Astor Grill. So you will see a lot more. And although they do not have the afternoon tea, they do have what they call the aperitif section between 3 to 6 every day at the Astor Bar, that we can have some drinks and antipasta and things like that. I'm going to see if I can try it one day to show you, because I should be really out at the conference working. So anyway, this is a quick room tour for now. Just continue to follow me and you will see everything you need to know about St. Regis, Singapore. I just want to add, everyone knows one of the very, very good thing about St. Regis is the butler service. So the executive butler just knock on my door, say hi, introduce himself. He's the executive butler, so I get the best of the best. And he asked me if I want coffee or tea, and he asked me if I have any items, any shoes for cleaning, any clothes to do pressing and such. And there were like 2 allowed every day, so I gave him 2 of the outfit that I'm going to wear for the conference for work, and he took it. And you know, it's so good, because this is this St. Regis that they knock on my door and say hi to me personally. Normally they give me a call, which is okay, but this one is really good, so I just want to add that to my experience.
A lot.
Lovely. Thank
Yeah,
you.
we have to take the photos also, huh?
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Everything looks perfectly
Yep.
good.
It's St. Regis.
Yeah. Yes. Ay, everything looks so nice.
Eclair? Yeah, it's for me. Thank you. Okay, so before lunch, I gave my 2 pieces of outfit to my butler to got it pressed, and then in no time it's returned back to my wardrobe. Thank you, very nice. So I'm all prepared for work tomorrow. Good morning, Singapore. I'm at St. Regis, Singapore. This is the view from my room. So getting ready and going down for breakfast. Laksa? Yes, laksa, please.